Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change printing resolution in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to change the print resolution. At first, go to the page layout menu. Select the size drop down menu. You can select your size. Now I am select the size later. Go back again this option and go to more paper size option. Now I am select the page and we can see here the print quality. Now I am increase the quality or resolution 200 2040 dpi. You can select the 600 dpi or 300 or 144 dpi. Now I am select only 600 dpi. Then click the print option and we can see we change the print resolution. You can print this, select this print option. Now we can see we change print resolution in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.